She say I got nothing to fear. She said, love is our love, shining like stars. In our life, shining like stars. Obviously, the man doesn't understand IR spectrum is empirical evidence in court. I walk into a courtroom with a picture from a magnetometer like this. Ra is already guilty for breaking and entering into the solar system. I didn't say electromagnetic field. The doctors did. Research suggests that some people do indeed feel magnet fields. Well, guess what? You can feel one too, and it's right here. You fucking put your palms out like that. You bring them together in front of your fucking chest, and you will feel the pull. Well, simple as that. This guy, where is he? Sounds like more. He hasn't tried it, obviously, because every single human being can. And that's been proven right here and through research. You have an electromagnetic field generated by your body, just like Earth's. If you bring it to the same frequency as Earth, let's call it meek, you're going to inherit the entire strength of her field. That's physics. Give a fuck what this man's book says. Be attractive. I'm not trying to attract anybody. Lee, you can suck my dick. Actually, I take that back. It looks like you like dick too much. And obviously, you got a hunkering for mine. So I think you'd probably take me up on the offer, and that's just uncomfortable.